the completed sleeve. So it will be coming out like this. Okay, so you can see how it looks like. Beautiful. This is so full and so fine. So I will run this second one. Hello, you are welcome once again to Custom 2 Venture. Thanks so much for all the time you have spent watching my video. I want to say thank you so much. God bless you. Okay, today I will be putting on this ruffle sleeve. Okay, I've done the ruffle skirts before, the ruffle blouse, but today I will be putting on ruffle sleeve. So I've cut my sleeve. Okay, whichever I want to put a little puff there, and so that's why it is like this. Okay, I haven't cut your sleeve, the length of your sleeve, and whatever the kind of shape you want it to be. There are different ways we cut sleeve, whichever one you are okay with. What is important is the length and the width of the sleeve. Okay, so how do I go about my ruffles? I will measure about 5 inches wide, 5 inches wide. Then I will put my industrial whipping there. Okay, and then having done that, I will run a gather stitch and then squeeze it. Okay, squeeze it. I will draw it. So when I draw it, I will arrange it on each. I will leave half an inch for the sewing allowance. So I will put my ruffles like this. When I do it, I will come back and show us. I will put my ruffles arranged there like this. You know, it's going to be something like this. So I will arrange them, and then all the edges I'm going to leave half an inch, and of course I will be taping this place, half an inch for the sewing allowance. So when I've done that, I will come back to show us. Thanks so much. It's simple, it's straightforward. Okay, these are the pieces I cut. So I've run the gather stitch there. So what will I do now? I will draw each of the, and then make the ruffles. Okay, I do the ruffles. So I want the ruffles there now. You be careful so that it doesn't cut. If you cut it, you have to lose everything like that. So I draw the thread so that the ruffles are formed. Okay. You can start from both ends if your fabric is too long, so that doesn't cut. You can start from both ends. Okay. Okay, so I formed the ruffle for this one. Depends on how full you want your ruffle to be. Okay, so I will do the same to these two pieces too. Okay, let me quickly run that one too. Okay, I've run the ruffles now. So the next thing, I'm going to arrange this on this. You know, this is the sleeve I've cut. So we arrange the sleeve here like this. Okay, I will arrange them until they cover the whole sleeve, and then eventually we will get this. Okay, this is the completed sleeve, so it will be coming out like this. Okay, so you can see how it looks like. Beautiful. Thanks so much. If you have watched up with this and you're here to subscribe, please do subscribe. You can see it's so full and so fine. So I will run this second one and fix for the second one. God bless you. See you in my next video.